But if you're wearing, like also for a man, if you're wearing shorts, t-shirt, flip-flops, then a armband, a ring maybe, some necklace, then a fan, you're playing with a fan, you're wearing a hat, you have a handbag maybe, you're almost dressed to go for a polo match in St. Moritz, the poshest thing you can do in Switzerland, because you're wearing all these different things. But if you leave out the handbag, the well-done hair, the hat, the fan, the ring, the armband, the necklace, you're just wearing shorts and t-shirt. Well, that's not good. Shorts, t-shirts, flip-flops don't make a posh visual appearance. The visual appearance you posh up even when you're wearing, which is not posh, flip-flops, shorts and t-shirt. You can posh it up by wearing a watch, a armband, all these things that I have mentioned. And even men do that. They have something around, like Johnny Depp does it very well. The older he gets, the more he wears these jewelry things. He has a hat, he has a jacket, he's dressed with lots of layers. He's like wearing a shirt, underneath he has a t-shirt, he has like a t-shirt, a shirt, then he has a vest on and a leather jacket. So all these layers, they make him look more posh than just wearing t-shirt and jacket. See how this white is a bit bluish? It's not as reddish as this color. It's not white, totally white. Well, there is a subtractive and a additive color circle. So the additive one is when you have a prism and you have the colors coming from the sun and you split them, so you get a rainbow. So the rainbow goes from red to yellow, no, to green, the sky is blue. And violet, you cannot see the violet, ultraviolet frequencies. That's why I painted it like this. It's frequencies, And it said that red and green have the same frequency, although being different colors. So also red and green are on opposite sides of the color circle. So when you add paint, pigments, the sun hits a surface and whatever is reflected ends at your eyes, and that's the color you see. So you subtract something from that ray of light coming from the sun or whatever hitting a surface. Could also be a Super Trooper. Whatever gets reflected off a surface, like black is not reflecting anything, so then all the frequencies stay on your black surface. That's why it's said to be such a good clothing for weak people, because all the rays emitted by people, like their aura, if they have one, as it's said to be 10 kilometers from their hearts, at least. There is other auras, doesn't hit you because they get reflected off that black. Well, they got the other way around. They get eaten by a black surface because black accumulates all the light and doesn't reflect, because not reflecting means we don't see anything at our eye. We can only see what gets reflected back at us, right? So if a aura wants to be shielded, you wear black clothes like a emo, a grufti. So, and the subtractive color circle is not about any race. It's about mixing colors, like you got paint and then you have these colors here. And it's always the biggest contrast on opposite sides in this color circle thing. And violet, yellow, for example, or green, red, that's the biggest contrast possible. Or at least these are the biggest contrast, yellow, violet. And always two colors on opposite ends of a circle is opposing colors that form a bond. So red and green belongs to each other, violet and yellow belongs to each other because they are contrasts, but they supplement each other. And the families would be like this in a triangle. So three colors are always a family. So when you close yourself, you have, starting with your eyes, you got blue eyes, let's say. So if you go for red, which could be pink, if you go for yellow and blue, the other family we got here, there's just two families of the kind of bright colors, leaving out grays and browns. And for now, you would match your clothing with your eyes. But remember when I said when you're dressing yourself, when you have like your clothes are within the color family of, let's say the nail polish would be pinkish, and your eyes and your jewelry all look the same, the makeup, then you're valuing the shorts, the fingernails, and your eyelid shadow, actually your eyes the same. That's stupid. They are not the same. You have to have different colors. So when you have blue eyes and you have blonde hair, that one looks real nice because blonde hair is yellow rather than orange. And if you have the blue eyes, you know, what's missing is some, you know, reddish, like the lips could be rose, you know.